Friends, I am Mr. Prabhakar Rao from Bodhan, which is the native place of our great Guru Brahmarshi Pitamaha Patriji. Today I am revealing the miracles of our great Guru's birthday. Subhash Patriji took birth on 11th November 1947. Generally, we write the year 1947 as 47. If we add 4 and 7, it comes to 11. All these 11 numbers indicates the Ekadasha Rudras, means 11 incarnations of great Shiva. The great master took birth in the month of Ashvija Masa of Telugu month. Ashvija month is the month of powerful goddesses who removed the obstacles of universe in the form of evil forces. This Ashvija month starts with the Durga Mata Navaratris, means the supreme power of universal creation took 9 forms of incarnations and got rid of several demons. On the 10th day of Ashvija month, Vijayadashami is being performed. It is the day of removing the demon Ravana by the great incarnation of Sri Rama. In the same Ashvija month, Naraka Chaturdashi occurred. On the same day, our beloved Guru's birth taken place. On that day, demon Narakasura was removed from the universe. The next day was Deepavali, the festival of lights. Many more lights were lit and removed the physical darkness from the universe, and that was the connectivity with the light. If we observe the day, it was a Tuesday, which is the day of Lord Ganesha, the Lord of Mooladhara Chakra. In Vedas, it was clearly notified Ganesha as Mooladhara Sthitosi Nityam. That means he will always stays in Mooladhara Chakra. And also Tvam Brahmastam Vishnustvam Rudrasvam Indrasvam Agnistam Vayustam Suryastam Chandramastam Brahma Bhorbhuvaswamor means is the representative of all gods. Coming to nakshatras, there are 27 total nakshatras occur. Each day one nakshatra will be there. But on that day, when our Guru has taken birth, 2 nakshatras occur. Generally, rarely 2 nakshatras will be there on one day. It is said to be nakshatra dvaya. So, on that day, Chitta nakshatra has gone and Swati nakshatra has come. Chitta means mind. Chitta vritti nirodhaka, we say. So, mind has been nullified, mind has been disappeared, and Swati has come. Swati means the lord of Swati is Vayudeva, the god of air. And also this Swati nakshatra, it is associated with the planets and cosmos. So, after the emptiness of the mind, the element of air, that is our breath, anapanasati. So, our Guru is connected with that great air element. So, in every month there are two Pakshas, Shukla Paksha and Krishna Paksha. First half is Shukla Paksha, second half is Krishna Paksha. Our Guru has taken birth in Krishna Paksha, and in that Krishna Paksha, the great Lord Shiva and Sri Krishna Paramatma, who has preached Bhagavad Gita to Arjuna, was born in Krishna Pakshas only. By saying all these things, the day, the month, the year, the tithi, the nakshatra, the paksha, all are unified to present the most auspicious Dhyana Guru for the sake of ourselves. So, we are most so lucky that we are having such great and excellent and marvelous Guru with all these miracles. We will be always thankful for that great Guru, and I am also lucky to reveal all this. In another video, we meet you again. Thank you, thank you, thank you.